Do your video look dull and boring? You can solve your problem by adding amazing effects to your video. Video effects are essential. It is the one that gives life to the video. Adding cool visual effects is a great way to make your videos look more professional and cinematic. They can help you add intrigue to your videos and also help keep viewers engaged for longer. You probably want to add effects to your video and now is looking for a tool that provides the best effects. Great! You are in the right video. Let me present to you the Chilll Video Converter Ultimate. You may be wondering how a video converter can add effects to your video. Well, this tool is professional. It has a video editor that can resolve any video issues. It has an MV feature which is made to design and create amazing videos. Best effects and editing features are provided to make your video catchy and entertaining. The good thing is that this tool is easy to use. You can add effects to your video without complication. To get this tool, visit www.chilll.com/videoconverterultimate or simply click the link in the description. Download this tool, and we will show you how to add effects to your video. To begin, open the tool you've downloaded. On the tool's main interface, click the MV tab among the others. Once you have entered the MV feature, click the plus icon or the add button to add the video you will give effects. After the video was added, choose an effect among the themes provided. The themes contain transitions, effects, and template design that can turn your input into an amazing video. Click the magic wand button to add more flavor to your video. Click the effects and filter among the editing options, then choose your desired effects and filters that perfectly fit to your video. You can also use the other editing features, the rotate and crop, add watermark, audio, and subtle if necessary. You can check your video result on the preview and choose the frame ratio. Once satisfied, click the export button and wait until the process is done. As easy as that, your video now has effects. Visual effects can catch attention and entertain viewers. It gives more life and flavor to your video, and Chilll Video Converter Ultimate can help you with that. With its amazing effects and editing tools, your video will be one of the most amazing. So, what are you waiting for? Get Chilll Video Converter Ultimate now. We hope this helps you. For more videos, visit our channel, Chilll. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the following video. Thanks for watching.